Please join me to do the unboxing of this USB-C docking station universal with 65 watts power delivery, which is PD. Okay, so first let me remove this thing. Okay, then we take it out, and there are more things here down there. Okay, has the cord, AC cord. It has the other portion of the AC-DC converter, and this goes to your docking station. This goes to the AC, and this is a paper board and tells you where to download the drivers and instruction manual and warranty card, I guess, or promotional, I don't know, paper, and two cables. One is USB-C to USB-A. Let me take out the box. So this is USB-C to USB-A, and this one is USB-C to USB-C. Very thick, nice cables, both of them. And okay, let's set this aside for the time being. And this box with all the fancy things, this foam is nice, kept everything in place. And okay, this is what we got. This nice finish. This is plastic. The whole body is plastic. This is the place for the Kensington lock chain, and this is what we got here. USB 3 2 port, RJ45, HDMI display port, or HDMI display port. So you have two ports outputs, and this is the power for your computer. You connect here your laptop, and the input of this charger. Sounds great. On the front, USB-C, audio for headset and microphone, and another USB 3. So a total 3 USB 3.0 ports and 2 USB-Cs. Sounds good to me. Again, plastic, and here is the serial number and that things. So let me connect this bad boy and let's see how it works. Okay, let me show you what I got. This is my laptop, and this is my docking station. Here, two USB monitors, HDMI, and here maybe you cannot see, but this is the Ethernet cable. I use wired always. This is the on indicator. This is the power supply that comes with the docking station, and the only connection to my computer is the USB-C cable. And nice, let me show you very quickly. Maybe you can see here. Let me get closer. So if you click identify, you have three monitors. One, the laptop. Number 3 is this one, and number 2 is this one. So you have the two external monitors and the laptop. Here is my pointer. excellent job. And also I need to mention, this is a company computer, so I'm not an administrator. I cannot install any driver or anything, and was kind of plug and play. For some moment you only can see the pointer on the external monitor, and was kind of frozen. So what I did was I removed power and reapplied power to the docking station, and came back working perfectly. So I'm very happy. And again, it's nice. Even you don't have to install anything. In my case, it's Windows 10, and I guess Windows installed everything. I was afraid I had to install something because I'm not administrator, so I need to create a ticket with IT. And this small paper thing tells you how to download the drivers, but for me there is no need for that. I'm up and running in less than 10 minutes. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching.
Muito bem embalado, acabei de abrir, tirar o plastiquinho de proteção e olha isso, que experiência, olha, ó, top, muito bom, gostei.